Hi everyone, this is Chris here with My Old House Fix, and if you were tuning in to the dishwasher post from a few days ago, you can tell that we had a horrible noise coming from the lower dishwasher. We have a Fisher Paykel DishDrawer assembly here, which has two dishwashers, one up top, one in the bottom, and the one in the bottom was making a terrible noise. So, one thing I like about these dishwashers is they're very easy to work on. Unlike the old one we had, you had to open the big door, crawl inside to get to everything. These pull straight open, and you can pretty much access everything, and with very minimal tools, you can work on it. So first of all, we want to fold all the trays back. Remove the silverware tray. Remove the rack itself, which is pretty easy. And again, this is what is so awesome, right? This lifts right out. The spray arm, done. Next we pop out the filter. And I like this because you can clean it really easy. Next we pop out this big disc here. And it's really easy. Again, just unlock it counterclockwise. Pull it out. And now we're down to the pump. And as you can see, we do have a little trash down here in the bottom. There's a toothpick. Let's take that out. And another one. So get that out of there. And that may be what was making the actual noise there. But let's go ahead and just check the pump just to make sure. So again, it's really easy. Quarter turn that way. Pulls right out, and this is pretty much it. Make sure there's no trash down in the bottom, make sure there's no trash down in here, down into the top. It looks pretty clean. And nothing down in the base. So I think we're actually good. So we'll put this back down in. And now we'll prepare to reassemble. Okay, now that we have everything ready to go back in, we set the pump back down in. Quarter turn, relock it. Put the tray back in. Quarter turn, lock it. Make sure it's in good. Put the filter assembly back in. And we're good. Spray arm just sits right down on top. Good to go. Put the silverware basket back in. Just like that. And congratulations, you have just disassembled and reassembled an entire dishwasher in under 4 minutes. Alright guys, this is pretty much the overview. This is how you disassemble, clean, and perform maintenance on the Fisher Paykel DishDrawer assembly. And that should fix it. And there we go. So if you have one of these and you ever need to do maintenance on it, it's really easy to disassemble. Don't call the repairman straight away. You can take it completely apart with basically no tools but your hands and check it out for yourself before you do a service call. Now if you do have a bad motor or you do have components that failed, you may have to order parts and have those replaced, but as you can see here, it looks like we might have dodged a bullet on this one. So just want to give you a few tips on the Fisher Paykel DishDrawer, and we'll see you guys later. This is Chris out here from My Old House Fix.